Imagine your friends are coming over to your house, and the only important thing you have is probably your laptop or your computer, personal, that you keep your files, your information, your everything. Now, your friends are stubborn, right? They'll come, play with your computer, play with the video games, and most probably get to your personal information that you will not like them to have. Now, it is important to keep that information safe. One, you can either keep it hidden in your computer, but on the other hand, your friends maybe are computer gurus and they know where you hide your things. And they're not those friends that you can just tell them and they listen, like, don't touch. And they're like, okay, okay, we won't. Now, what do you do? Well, today is a good day for you because I have a solution. Instead of pleading with them, you can just create an account for them so that they use your computer without getting to your information. Now, on your computer, just click on the Windows key, type in CMD and hit enter. That is going to load the command prompt. Now, the command that I would like you to type in is control user passwords as one word and then 2. That should be one word. Hit enter. What returns is a user account dialog box. Now, here you can see I have one account in this machine of mine. What I'm going to do here, as you can see under the properties, you can change the username of this computer or the full name, and you can add a little description, but that is not important. Move over to group membership. Here you can see I am the administrator of this computer. That means I can access any information on this computer. I can go to various parts, change information and whatnot. Now, apart from that, we have an option for standard user. This shows you what level you are when you want to access the whole system in this computer. Now, a standard user is like the second level below the administrator. The administrator has the full privileges, but the standard user has some. So what are we going to do with this? Just close this off and add an account. When you click that, you're going to get this and you're going to type in the username. Let me go with Obama because I like Obama so much. Type in the caps and I'll type in Obama. Next, I'll type in the password, which is also Obama. And I'll repeat that. And then the hint, I'll give this as the President of the United States. From here, this is just basic information. When you hit next, you'll have a local account called Obama. And when you hit finish, that account is going to be created. Now, from here, as you can see, we can either remove this account, and under properties, we can also see that the group membership is standard user. Now you can set this to administrator, but that means this account will also have full privileges as the main account of this computer, but the standard user will have no full privileges. So we leave it at standard user and then hit OK. So this local account will be controlled by the administrator account, which means I can delete this account whenever I want, I can reset the password, and I can get rid of it. So once you're done with this, you can click OK and close the command prompt. So this way, you have created an account that is going to be outside your main account, and it is going to allow anybody to do basic stuff using a computer, but will not be able to access the personal information that is in the main account, which is the administrator account. We can try to log out of this account and see what we have out there. Holding your Alt and F4 will give you this prompt, and then you can just sign out or switch the user. But I would like so much to switch the user because now we have 2 users in this computer. Click OK. So there you have it. My name is Queen. Make sure you stay subscribed to this channel so that you get the latest update from me. I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.